Hello, my name is Hemant Nandane and we are the students of Vishwakarma Institute of Technology, Pune. And here we are to discuss the topic of structure and functions of the computer under the subject Computer Organization and Architecture. Introduction. The structure and functions of the computer depict how the components of the computer are assembled, how they are interrelated to each other, and what operation these components perform. Structure of computer. The central processing unit CPU, input device, and the output device are the three components that make up the basic structure of the computer system. We can broadly classify these components into four types.
The basic structure of computer consists of main memory, CPU, I/O units, and system interconnection units. Classifications. Number 1. Main memory. Main memory is mainly used for storing the data. Number 2. I/O units. I/O unit is used for moving data in or out of the computer. Number 3. CPU. Central processing unit. CPU performs the controlling and processing functions. Thus, it is also referred to as the processors. Number 4. System interconnection. The direct connection of two or more information systems for the purpose of sharing data and other information resources.
Next point is function of computer. The function of computer typically includes the following tasks: taking data, processing it, returning results, and storing it. To help computer systems perform these functions, computer devices can be classified as input devices, processing devices, output devices, and storage devices. These are four main functions of computer: input, processing, storage, and output devices. Classification: data processing, data storage, data movement, control. These are four classification of function of computer. First is data processing. Data processing, manipulation of data by a computer. It includes the conversion of raw data to machine readable form, flow of data through the CPU and memory to output devices, and formatting or transformation of output. Any use of computers to perform defined operation on data can be included under data processing. There are some examples of data processing. First is posting or putting a photo of a person on any website. Second, storing IP addresses or MAC addresses. Third is video recording like CCTV and all.
Data storage. Data storage essentially means that files and documents are recorded digitally and saved in a storage system for future use. Storage system may rely on electromagnetic, optical, or other media to preserve and restore the data if needed. Once the processing computer needs to store those pieces of data, the computer requires two kinds of data storage function: short-term data storage function and long-term data storage function. Short-term data storage function is generally used to store the intermediary result of any computation. The long-term data storage function is generally used to store the final result of any computation. It also involves the storage of files that can be subsequently retrieved and can be updated. It means data storage makes it easy to backup files and safekeeping and quick recovery in the event of an unexpected computing crash or cyber attack.
So next one is data movement. Data movement is the ability to move the data from one place in your organization to another through technologies that include extract, transformation, load, that is ETL. The next one is extract, load, transform, that is ELT. Data replication and change data capture, that is CDC, primarily for the purpose of data migration and data warehousing. The operating environments of any computer requires both input and output peripheral devices. The computers are also capable of moving data over a longer distance, that is, to or from a remote device. We refer to the moving of data between the remote devices as the data communication.
So the last topic is data controlling. Data control management is oversight of information. Data control is observing and reporting on how processes are working and managing issues. The data controller is responsible for ensuring that all personal data processing complies with the data protection regulations. Access control systems are an integral part of information security and plays a vital role in data security for businesses. It helps IT admins and security teams to limit or restrict access to sensitive business data and eliminate the potential risk associated with data exposure. So thank you. This is the end of the video. Like, share and subscribe.